This method aim is to delete the rows containing all blanks. Use Excel's Count Blank formula. The first step is to add a filter row at the top of your data. There are two ways to achieve this. First, select any cell in your data. Click Format as Table in the Home tab and choose a table design. When you click OK in the Create Table dialog box, a filter row will be added automatically at the top of your data. If you don't want to reformat your data into a table, select the cells in your top row that contain information and click Filter in the Data tab on the ribbon. In the column to the right of your table, type the column header blanks. Next, select your new column and click the Number Format drop-down menu and click Number. Now, in the first cell under the column header, type the formula. Select the whole row to the left of the active cell, thus completing your formula's parameters. Then, close the parentheses. When you press Enter, you'll see the total number of blank cells in that row. If you're using a formatted table, this formula will be applied automatically to the remaining rows in your table. Double-click the fill handle in the bottom right corner of the cell containing the formula you just typed and see the remainder of the column populate with the number of blanks in each row. Finally, you can now use the filter you added earlier. The first option is to hide the rows containing all blanks by unchecking the highest number in the filter drop-down. Click OK. Even though the rows are still stored within the spreadsheet, they're hidden from view due to the filter applied. Alternatively, sort the data by the blanks column by clicking Sort Largest to Smallest. With the blank rows now at the top of your table, you can select them all, right-click the selected cells, and click Delete. Deleting blank rows in Excel is just one way to clean up your spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.